We don't know how. It says you don't know my rating. It says some kind of thing like that. Something about it's a question. What the rating is. Mittens likes chess, but how good is she? Now, challenge. No help of any kind. Is that how you drew it, Claude? Or did you take takebacks and 3 hints, or assisted all the tools, or custom? CJ Reed says, "Come, Charlie, let's beat Mittens." We're gonna go for it, man. I'm gonna need some help, guys. You guys are gonna have to give me some Grandmaster moves. You know me, I always want to. We're gonna do no help of any kind. We're gonna take a random color, and we're gonna play no help of any kind. If we lose, we lose. Meow. I like chess. He. Knight F3. Knight F3. I play Knight F6, G6. Knight C6, I think, is a move. C5 is a move. C6 is a move. D5 is a move. D6 is a move. Always play Triple Crown. You played no help. Good. Okay. So, let me. I'm gonna go ahead and make the first move. What is going on with the stars? Oh man, here's what happened. Earlier on, Dave Joyce case 50 when he came and said hello. Jacob gives 40 and started a stars party. Him and CJ Reed says, "Come on, Charlie, let's be Mittens. Thank you for the 50, CJ, and 40 from Jay Cook." And then a stars party started. Jay Cook gives another 50 toward the stars party to complete this stars party. They say you see pretty colors. Seems like some people see it, some people don't. The important thing to remember is that freaking button. Why did that button go away, guys? Because it's still here. Watch. I just gotta find it. Okay, wait. Where is it? Stars party. There you go. Not wacky, folks. Took me a second. Not wacky, says the guy in a man bun. F5, but it's not for everyone. No, you know what? I totally would have played F5. I'm gonna get a little bit further in. Okay, the double fee and Cheetos. You guys, does anyone like Cheetos? Okay. Just gonna castle, guys. And then we're gonna start taking some El Centro. Now, how do we take El Centro? Do we do it with, I think C5 is an idea. And not worrying about his, C5 is a good move. I like C5. It stops D4. E4 is already there. I would play C4. Okay. Fair enough. Okay, I'll try and slow down a little bit in this. I mean, see, right now we're all pretty much probably gonna be saying about the same stuff, right? Like here, I could play D. I could play D5. Takes. Trades. Not really a good move. D6 is probably the move. D6, A6, D6 lets the bishop out. I'm gonna play D6. I'm gonna move a little bit quicker on getting the pieces to developed. Okay, now he plays D4. Takes, knight takes. Now here's where I think I want to take, because I don't want him to push, right, guys? I think since you got stuck with the black pieces this time, then you should take a shot with the white pieces if this doesn't work out. I got busted by Mittens twice and played her to a king and a rook endgame that ended with the 50 move rule. Nice. Delinquent Danny with the 600, man. No stars goal today. We have one, Jay. It's just we have the kitten's face. The kitten's face was blocking it. Hey, man. Tirios Papagiano Paulus became a follower. Thank you for the follow, man. And yeah, I can move it down like this and cover a couple of the things. Delinquent Danny, thank you for the 600 stars, man. And also Tirios, thank you for the follow. Welcome to my stream. Our community. I feel like I should take and then like Bishop D7. It looks like just like a real standard Sicilian situation ish. You know what I mean? I've got the C file. LD7 very often is there. Maybe the rook C8. Happy New Year's, big guy. Emilio Tillman, thank you, man. No, don't be sorry, Jay. You're doing fine, brother. It was covered up, man. There's nothing wrong with it. You can ask me any question you want, Jay. Bill Stevens says, how did you find out about these kitties? I think I was over here and I looked at Watch to see if there was any tournaments going on. I think I clicked on News. And under News, I think it said play the Catbots. In your comfy clothes, huh, Charlie? Emilio, it's Man Robe Monday, okay? We used to do Man Bun Monday. I'd put my hair in a bun, but we did that for 2 years. And so it's Man Robe Monday, okay? Taking is the move, guys. I'm just doing it. It has to be the move. It has to be the move. Right? Now, I could play this. I could play Queen. I think this is carminesardo. In your company closure. Yeah. Okay. Now he developed. We could take and make him take with the queen, but there's no good discovery. It doesn't do anything. You know what I'm saying? I think A6 might be a move. I think Rook AC8 is probably a. I don't know though. You know why? Because we might want to play. We might want to go all in on the queen side. Queen C7 is probably where our queen wants to go. This knight can come here though. Yeah, Queen B6. Knight takes, bishop takes. What about Queen B6? Is it a move? Does it do anything? I just don't know if this rook comes here, guys, or not. This is my problem. I don't know. Oh, don't know. I don't like pawn takes, pawn, knight takes, pawn, bishop d7. I might try knight e4. It's a bit premature, but I don't like very much at the minute. Yeah, rook c8 from here. Yeah. So you didn't like it, huh? You didn't like pawn takes. In this position. Yeah, 94. I see what you're saying. It hits everything. It hits everything, but the poor knight is unprotected. I don't know, man. 94 might be the move here. I didn't even consider it. I'm just like, this seems okay. This just seems like the wrong rook. I feel like at some point I want a6, queen c7, rook, and like play for b5 or something. E5 work. Well, e5's a move, but e5 doesn't really. It doesn't do anything other than make a backward pawn on an open file. Oh, in this position, e5 queen would just take the pawn. It's just that would hang a pawn. So e5 doesn't work. Oh no, it does because it would hang his knight. No, you're right. E5 attacks the knight, but the thing is, d5 is hard for me to get in, and then this pawn becomes weak. You sometimes play e5 in a Sicilian in like a Nadorf, where this bishop, the dark square bishop, is right here, and he is holding down this backward pawn. In this position, I think this would just become a target. I don't think we can allow that. It's like rook c8, a6. Dave Joyce said rook c8, question mark, meaning rook c8. What do you think? That's what we played, guys. Okay. Yeah. Now I think like maybe a6. Yeah, I looked at a6 as opposed to 94, but I'm not sure about a6 and b5. Right. Yeah, I'm not either, but I don't know what else to do. But what else do you do? Like takes now and then maybe b5. At least I'm doing something. Do you know what I'm saying? Queen a5 can help support some of that malarkey. I think queen a5 might be an idea. Connect the rooks. You guys like queen a5? I don't know, man. Seems like whenever I put my queen on a5, I just wish it ends up coming back to b6 or something, or c7. Or see, the thing is, queen c7 I don't like because I don't like knight d5. Although I guess takes, dang, and then rip, and then rip, and then like, you might win something here. Maybe. So this doesn't. Maybe it doesn't work. I just don't see Anthony Zagaroli. I'd rather get some more development before committing to e5. It's an idea if we can later. In these structures, I don't know, man. In these structures, what you really want to do, if you can, is play d5. If you can. But I don't know if that's going to happen. This is the only, like, reasonable... Well, maybe queen b6. Thing I like about this move is it, what? Yeah, I think queen a5, man. Does anyone have any problem with queen a5? See, now we're getting a little bit into the important moves of the position, right, guys? Like, you know, we got developed. I think black is fine. Has black equalized? I think white might be slightly better. Claude Dodson says, if you could get your queen to c8. Yeah. I thought about that. I thought about that idea, man. I really did. Another idea is takes and bishop to this square. You know what I mean? You might play e4 is the thing. Queen a5 is a nice flexible square for the queen. Yeah, man. I like it. And check it out. This could go along Claude's idea, too. Right, Claude? I'll tell you what I like about it, too, is it controls a lot of squares, man. It controls a lot of squares. Now, I play queen. Yeah, he can move. He can just move the pawn or something. It doesn't do anything. Knight takes and b5 are ideas. This rook maybe here is maybe a slight improvement. Might be better because white's knight can't block with g4. Yeah, a5 has lots of potential routes for the queen. Yeah, a5 is good, and the rooks are connected. But the question is, what now? I'm gonna pour coffee. You guys look at it. Like, I just kind of developed naturally without any incredible plan other than, see, the idea here is in a Sicilian type structure with the open C file is very often to play on this side of the board, guys. This is where my center pawns are pointing. Takes, queen takes, b5. I think it's a way to start breaking some stuff up. You might have to take, man. And then I probably would have to take this way. Or, you know, I could actually take with the bishop if I wanted to. You don't really care for that, though. But the point is, see, man, we're opening stuff up. Queen over here, I think he just pushes a pawn or something I can't take because my queen's hanging. So, yeah. Well, his knight's better than my knight, isn't it? Now, it does mean I can trade for it, but then his queen's going to be better than my queen. Another idea is maybe to make my knight better. Right? That's an idea. He could play F4 though, man. Then I just gotta like come right back to where I was. But F4 is a really weakening, weird kind of a move, man. You know what I mean? Takes and B5 just kind of start unclogging. Oh, if I take, does he have bishop takes? No, because I could attack. Whose light squared bishop is better? White's. Yep, knight takes knight, bishop, queen takes in there. Yeah, that's true. And you know, his queen, well, he's going to be, but look what we're doing. We're setting up a battery with the queen. And then he might have a move like this. No, he doesn't, because we always have this idea. If he ever attacks the knight, we can shut the battery down. So yeah, that sounds good, man. Yeah, because like I said, Dave Joyce, you know, here's what we got to remember, guys. We're playing black. We cannot just expect. White has not done anything wrong. White, I think, wasted in one move, or didn't waste it, but these two moves, I think, are why we're probably equal. I do. I don't think black is better. I'd be surprised if black was better. It could be, but I doubt it. His bishops look good. Everything looks pretty equal here. But the point is, we can't really expect to be winning anything. We're still playing the black pieces against a computer. So Dave Joyce brings up a really good idea of just, hey, trade that sucker off. And improve our bishop. Right? Now he can do this though. Ooh, could he have played knight there immediately? Okay, queen comes here. Awkward looking move. E6 is something I'm looking at. Bishop takes. King takes. D5. Can I play D5? D5 now. Oh, I have to watch out for B4 though. You know what I'm saying? I might be able to play D5 or bishop takes, king takes, and D5. He might kick me. Yeah, that maybe doesn't work. Kick, I think, is what makes it okay for him. Did I say earlier about the queen being on A5? He did have knight D5, huh? I think it was bad. Knight H5. Knight H5, it opens up my bishop. But it takes this... That I think is a pretty good example of knight on the rim is grim. Plus this pawn is hanging. I might just play this move, guys. Or wait. It's bishop takes first. Bishop takes first, so that way the knight doesn't come into D5. I'm taking that. Now, yep, now I can... He'll probably play knight D5 then. And he could jack my... I gotta worry about the E-pawn, you know what I'm saying? It could be E6, but in this pawn, guys, this pawn becomes weak. He'll attack it with the next move. Just rook over. Now I gotta start defending it. You know what I'm saying? E6 feels good because it stops the knight coming into D5, but this could be a move. Oh no, because he has this. Oh God, his queen would almost be trapped. See it? It's not, and it's not a real thing. But the point is, like, if my queen was here and his queen took here, rook over, he would only have one square. He'd only have one square, guys. Still not, it's not real. Knight H after he took your knight with the queen. Yeah, but Austin, what does it do? It discovers the attack on the queen. That's true. Knight H5. His queen moves. It could just probably go back to where it was. And oh, I see what you're saying. I'm on this. Okay, so he maybe play queen d2. Knight H5, queen d2. And my knight's off sides, man. All I did is put my knight out of the game. Do you understand what I'm saying? I just don't think it's good. It might be. It might be, but I think a way better move is to trading off that bishop. I don't think was bad. And now I want to I think I got to do this. Here's the problem. I think he'll have he'll have knight d5 anyway. And it's okay for him. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's just okay for him, man. Knight d5 seems like a problem, man. Dominic message, your idea of trapping might work because you have queen c6 check. Ah, so queen c5, queen e7, queen c6 check. And then rook e8. So it worked? E6 is not good though, because it weakens this pawn. And in these dragon-like structures, you do not want to play e6 because it hurts this pawn's life. This is an idea, but then I think he pushes this way, guys. Yeah, so maybe queen c5, huh? Maybe queen c5. Queen c5 looks good. Queen takes, rook takes. We can't push because we're shoving, and then maybe we can start doubling up and playing for b5. Queen c5. That's a great time. I see. I did. That's what David Bassett he's always looking to move just one move past me. I'm like, oh, there's no good discovery, but or there's no. It almost works. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, queen c5. If queen e7, queen check. His knight can't attack me. Queen check. He shoves or whatever. Then we just do this, and he has no squares. But okay, so queen c5. He moves his queen. He probably won't, and that's okay. Then if b5 though, then I can play maybe play b5. Knight d5. Queen c5. Knight d5. Takes. Okay. E7 is hanging though. Oh, you're right. No, it's not. That's just it. David Harbin. I brought up the idea that his queen would have a lot of barely any squares. Look at queen c5. Queen takes pawn. I said if the rook comes to e8, the only square the queen has, every square is covered. Every square is covered. Except for this square. Except for b7. So, queen c5, queen e7, queen c6 check. Don McMahon's idea. You can't bring the queen back because I'll take it with the knight. You could interpose with the knight. Oh. And then if rook e8, he interposes the knight. Yeah, but no, it doesn't work. A lot of times, this is it's pretty tricky. I don't think it works. Does it, Don McMahon? Because of knight d5. I think knight d5 is okay. Or wait. Knight d5. Queen c5. If he takes, check. Knight d5. Oh. Yeah. No, see, it doesn't work. It doesn't work because knight takes with check. Right, guys? So maybe queen c5 doesn't work. Now, here's the thing. When you're talking about liking e6, that doesn't mean it's out of the question. It's a terrible move. I'm just telling you why I think we can do better. You know what I mean? Jordan Alder says, howdy y'all, been a while. Hope you had great holidays, Charlie and crew. We did, man. We did. So I don't know here, guys. I'm not sure what to do, man. I could play this move. Oh no, because like I said, then he pushes. Queen c7 holds. Queen c7. Then queen c7 is definitely an idea. He'll bring the knight, probably, which really gives him. After takes, that gives him a lot of space, man. It's a lot of space, and my queen is immediately going to be under attack. That's why I'm not loving queen c7. b5 is not going to do anything. Man, I don't see it. Yeah, queen takes, check, knight d5. Knight takes, pawn takes. Oh, I could take with check. Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh, wow. Then he could play e4. And we're still playing chess, but this is isolated now. And what did I trade? Did I get anything? I traded this pawn for this pawn. See what I'm saying? White should play b4 when he can. Yeah, I know, but where do I put my queen? His knight will be pinned. That is true. Oh, you're right. You're right. Rookie, there is no killer move. Queen c5 against a regular player was a very nice idea. Maybe not against a bot. No. Yeah, the queen skips h4, but you want a pawn because b3 falls. Well, Dawn, no, they just brought up a point. Queen. The problem I had with queen check was knight d5. And then if I bring the rook, he can play knight takes. But he can't because it's pinned. It's pinned. But, yeah, no, I think it works. I think I'm going to play this move, guys. We looked at it enough times. I just found another reason why it does work. And that was Munir Ahmed brought up a great point. Okay. Not even an issue, folks. He just brings it. Now, we can do this. B5, I don't think is crushing. Do I want to play this square? No. Doesn't work. It might, because B7 could hang. Bush takes, knight takes. It doesn't. So he just moved the queen. Chess is art. That proves our idea was good. Hello, stranger. Hey, I hope you had great. It's a very interesting position. I just don't know what to do. But here, now. Oh, well, he's attacking a pawn, right? Should we come here? Or queen c7. Queen c7. They all kind of suck, man. This is a move too. Or this was a weird, sick, depraved square. Long time no see. Chris Bryan, how you doing, man? We're playing against a, yeah, Don McMahon says that proves our idea was good. Right. The fact that he didn't take that route, right? Queen b6, you could be winning a pawn. Queen b6, it does hit the base of the food chain. Queen b6, knight d5. David Harbin, knight d5 just defends it laterally with the queen. And it threatens this fork. And if I take, like I said... Oh, he can't take back yet. If I take, he probably has to take first, and then there, and then he takes. And I think, but Queen B6 might be best. I just don't like it because it doesn't give us this idea. Oh, what about B5 now, guys? What about solving the question of the B5 square now just by playing B5? B5, pawn takes, pawn takes. B5, pawn takes, pawn takes. Probably could play knight e4. Hitting my queen. That's bad. Okay, well, I'm just going to figure something out here. No knight a4 and the queen defends. Knight a4. The queen defends. Yeah. Or knight d5. Hitting the queen. You know what I mean? Because a pawn takes, pawn takes. He's cool. Isn't he cool with bringing this pawn here? And then playing e4 and just having all this space. He still has knight d5. Happy New Year, Charlie. David Russell, thank you, man. Yeah, knight d5 is there forever, man. It's just like he's had a chance. White's focused on d5-ish. An idea is maybe. Oh no, because this pawn is loose. This is an idea. Here, knight d5 takes, pawn takes. It's just like not good. It's not good. Here, knight d5 is the same thing. Knight d5 is gonna be there, man. I was looking at b5 as a potential square for the knight later. For our knight. Yeah, it's a little ways away from there. I see what you're saying, knight. Problem with moving this knight is his knight can come. Another idea is maybe let's go with this move. Oh no, well, wait, it weakens f6. Then he has knight a4 hitting my queen, and I have to play queen f5. Which actually, queen f5. A move I actually considered in this position was queen f5, but the thing is now it still drops this pawn. It still drops this pawn. So it's either we got to do something with the. See, if I do this, he plays knight d5, and knight takes, pawn takes. It's just better for him. It'll be symmetrical. Queen c6. Munir likes e6. Queen takes, threatening this square. Right? I mean, I could come. He could take, and I could take. But the point is, e6 is queen takes. Free pawn. Because even if I get this, he gets this. But worse than that, e6, maybe just rook over. And now I got to start defending this pawn. You know what I'm saying? I looked at queen e5, but knight a4 is bad. Yeah. I'm looking. Oh yeah, queen f5. I don't like. I mean, it messes my pawns up, but that could very often be the answer. I don't like b6 because, man, and then knight comes at d5. Guess we just got to go with this, man. I think I'm going to play b5, man. Maybe rook c7. Rook c7. It's a move. I feel like it blocks my queen, man. It disconnects my rook, so we're gonna double on this file. Trade on d5, open line for rook attacking queen. Trades on d5. Yeah, right. Exactly. But when the knight comes, I'm gonna be kind of compelled to take. If I come here, I'm compelled to take. Like I'm on c6, the knight comes, I'm compelled to take because of this. And I can't play this because he's all over the square. I'll just take. B5, knight d5, I think is probably just fine. Takes, and then come back. I think b5 might be the move, guys. And then on knight d5, I have to play knight takes. Knight takes, pawn takes. My queen comes back to b6. And he just has some space. E6, he can just take a pawn. Another idea too is on e6, he might have this move. Hitting my queen and attacking. E6 undefends the knight. Right? So then I would have to like e6. You gotta attack my queen somehow. Maybe like this. Then I have to play like over here. And this pawn falls. And this pawn falls. If I chase. I mean, okay, he'll get stuff too, but I don't know. I don't know that that's good for me, man. You know what I mean? I don't know if it's good. Plus, it's a permanent weakness forever. Even if I trade like one of these pawns for one of these pawns, or one of these pawns for two of activity, this seems to not lose anything. You know what I mean? That's what I like about this. Keeps everything symmetrical. Matt says, hey guys, how's it going? Going to take some days before we remember to write 2023, right? I did it. I remembered it. What about bishop h6? Hit the rook. That's an idea. That's an idea. I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, just do anything. Oh, it stops a lot of stuff. It stops a lot of stuff. Bishop h6 is pretty tactical, man. If queen c2, I might have d5. I mean, if rook c2, I might have d5 because pawn takes. Knight takes. Oh no. Yeah, because the rook hangs at the end, right? Bishop h6. You might play e3, and we're just still playing chess. Bishop h6. Yeah, bishop h6 is an idea, but I don't know that giving up this diagonal is it. b6, I'm worried about him opening up his bishop and dropping the knight on a4 or d5, and then b6. Yeah, b6 is already here though, man. I just think this is the move, guys. Do you like bishop h6? Or I mean, you just recommended it, right? Dave. Oh, it's David Harbin that said that. I thought it was Dave Joyce, but still, David Harbin. Like I said, I don't know that that's the move. Might be. It does stop this a little bit. I think b5, man. This is the key position to figure out the a plan. Matt says, "Hey guys, how's it going?" Oh yeah, okay, got that. Yeah. So I'm just not sure what to do. I say, this just looks wrong to me. Rook c7 looks wrong. b5 or b6, protect. That's why I think this is the move. Double NC file and open it up. Well, yeah, but the thing is, there's just a lot of weakness. There's a lot of weaknesses here. You know what I mean? This knight's coming in. It's going to be hitting his square. If I play rook up, he can just play knight. Knight takes, pawn takes. Now he's on my queen and my rook. You know what I'm saying? My queen moves, rook takes, rook, queen takes, the other rook comes over. Now his rook's playing, mine's not. Not to mention, well, yeah, the only good thing about that, plus that this really cuts my queen off from coming back too. E6, queen b7, rook b8. We pick b3 up. Dave Joyce, that was the other idea, but yeah, and then queen takes. Then we pick up b3, and we are on the bishop. And we're on c4. That's if he takes. But e6, I don't like. I'd rather play like e6 is keep the knight out. So maybe maybe e6. And then we'll hit that, and then I'm hitting this. Oh, the queen will be here. I could actually I guess E6 just seems like something you don't want to do. But you know what happens? You know what happens, guys? I get so dogmatic sometimes where I'm just like, you don't want to play E6 in such positions. Well, I know, but sometimes you do. Sometimes in weird positions like this, Nakamura plays like F5. And it's like, ew, it's so ugly, but it's like a good move. You know what I'm saying? We looked at Queen B6, kind of ish. Queen B6 doesn't really do anything. Queen B6 isn't. It's an idea. No. Oh yeah. We just said he plays knight D5. I gotta take. He could play pawn takes, and now he just gets more space. Wait. Oh no. Knight. Yeah, knight takes. He might play takes here first. I think we said, right? B6, rook D8. B6, rook D8. Rook D8 drops the pawn. I like, yeah, it's like E6, B6. So you guys, no one likes B5. I love it. I love that no one likes B5. Is there a problem with B5? I mean, okay, it opens up the line to my queen. Gives me some room, man. Gives me some room. E6. There isn't one. Charlie is playing a bot. Yeah. Plus, Michael Murray. I wouldn't be talking about moves. This is against a fake bot for no rating. Yeah, queen with 6, knight could come to a4, right? And then I could play. Where do I go? I don't like queen b6. I think this might be the move, man. You know why? Because of the freaking square, man. Oh wait, what about knight d5? Oh no, knight d5. I play pawn takes. Duh. Yeah, see that? This is what I like about this move. It gets rid. Oh no, then he. Yeah. It goes like this. Knight a4, queen f5, and then that knight lands on b6, like you were saying, right? And he said this doesn't work, or I don't like it. I don't know that it doesn't work. E6, if knight a4, I got to play queen f5, and then takes, and his knight can come to b6. Rook b6. Oh, wait a minute though. Nope. Maybe it can't stay there. Mittens is going down. B5 for Prez. Finally, someone votes for my move. Hey, why'd you save me, Charlie? I didn't say anything besides doubling on a C file. Oh, Michael Murray. Oh, did I misunderstand that? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, E6 at queen B7. E6 queen B7. Yeah. Take this one, guys. But it weakens F6, man. That's what I'm afraid of. Like I said, I'm gonna have to play queen. I'm gonna have to play queen. I played it, guys. Okay. Yeah, what did I tell you too? He's going to, first thing he's gonna do is attack that pawn and start defending it. But we can do this. Okay. Wow. Okay, now he's on it, right? Now I think I have to play this move. Oh, wait. Oh, I can't. I can't. See, he came back. I should have thought. I should have thought harder, guys. Okay, takes. Knight takes. The light that burns twice as bright burns half as long. Hee. You are not long for this game. Knocks queen onto the floor. Your queen is gone. He. Oh, I thought I could come back here and I can't. Yeah, I blew it. There's no clock. Yeah. You know what? We're gonna look at this game though. There's no clock. I can't even do this. Guys, I really blundered. I thought I was gonna be able to come back. I played a couple moves kind of quick there, to be perfectly honest, but I think this is the wrong way. I think I'm gonna resign because there's no moves, guys. There's no moves. Rook on d8 hangs with mate. I don't know. Is it mate? Oh wait, I could come this way. Another idea is takes. This doesn't do anything. It almost does, but it doesn't. Okay, we can come back. This has to be the best move, right? Yeah, Michael. But now, oh man, he takes here. Okay. Okay, winning this pawn, but... Oh, and he'll be on this square too. So I think I come here. So we'll be down a pawn. So bad. It's so bad. No, it's pretty bad, man. It's pretty bad. He's hitting my knight, my rook, I mean. When he takes his pawn, he's going to be on this rook. So, I could come here, I guess, but it's unprotected, man. You know what I mean? So he pretty much has to play knight takes. And if I come here, like, his knight can come with a fork. If I come here, he takes check. And I can come up, though. Takes. What about the activity? See, but the whole idea is I'm going to want to come here, but I can't. Take the file. Knight takes, and then work over here. It's just going to start coming, man. We don't know. We don't know how... It says you don't know my rating. It says some kind of thing like that. Something about it's a question what the rating is. Well, I got to move my rook, right? And I can put it here, unprotected, on a contested file, or I could put it here. Problem is, if I put it here, knight takes, hits this rook. Oh, for some reason I thought there was... Oh, yeah. That was coming back here. Problem is, I feel like I can go after the A pawn, and the C pawn's just going to push. You know what I mean, guys? Well, I'm going to move. I'm going to move. Right now, I could come here. The bishop Could very well be better than the knight. This is an idea, but he has this move, guys. Bad. Rook takes, knight takes, check, king up, rook takes, rook, king takes. And I'm blocking a pawn. If that line even works. Mittens Carlson, Don McMahon says no, no, no. Rook takes BA for open file, get something out of the lost pawn. Yeah, but that's an idea, Corey, and I thought about that, but this also kind of stays on this spot. I guess I can't hold it, right? If takes. So yeah, that probably would have been better because at least I do get something out of it. I have to move this, and I think I can put it here. But this is knight e4. Rook takes rook. Knight takes bishop check. King up. Probably knight h5. Pawn takes, jacking my pawns up. Oh, he just, yeah, no, yeah, but yeah, he'll just take. That's why Don McMahon was like, no, 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 no. This doesn't work either. So I think I'm going to come here and attack a pawn. This is a good move, I think. Oh, yeah, no, this was the bad. I said I could attack this, but I think this pawn just comes, guys. Okay. I'm going to blunder at some point. That was it. Was that the blunder? That's the blunder. I'm going to resign now. We're going to get something out of this game, guys. We're going to get something out of this game. Yeah, he has so many good things. It says one blunder, but no missed wins.